Hello grade 1, how are you today? Today our science lesson is about where do animals live, page 62. So let's start. Look at these animals. What can you see? I can see a horse, a dog, a cat, and a sheep. Also I can see a butterfly and a bird. But look, these animals are on land. On land. This is the land. Okay? While these animals are in the air. In the air. They are flying in the air. So these animals live on land. On land. While the bird and the butterfly live in the air. In the air. Now look here. These animals, like shark, fish, the dolphin, the turtle, the starfish, etc., where do they live? Do they live in the air? On land? No. They live in the water. In the water. So, some animals live on land, while others live in the air, and the other live in the water. In the water. Okay? So they don't live in the same place. They don't live in the same place. So I can say animals live on land, in the air, or in the water. This is all about our lesson. See you next video.